Sanibona bafethu uVanelo. So ngisathanda ukuthola indaba ke la regarding abadlali beMamelodi Sundowns. Kuthiwa ke uLeon benoSale sebejoyine ilist yabadlali abalimele kwiMamelodi Sundowns. Remember ke iMamelodi Sundowns bafethu ilimalelwe abadlali. Yabo nje wasikhuluma nje ilimalelwe abadlali bayo abasasana kubasayina balimele. OkuBrian Leon umchita bafethu ulimalile nawo usathana kulimala, Atasales nawo usathana kulimala, uSantos, Nuno Santos usathana kusayinwa nawo ulimele umchita. Umvala bafethu the 20-year-old umvala bafethu ulimela ade simbona nje kuma Metro Awards noMiguel Resinho bafethu naye umchita ulimele. iMamelodi Sundowns iyodlala ngolesithathu labadlali abayi5 abekho ama South Americans eMamelodi Sundowns wonke awekho kuyishubele ngempela ke. Remember ke iMamelodi Sundowns iyodlala nawa ke ama games eMamelodi Sundowns asele bayodlala against iPolokwane City eseShego Stadium le ePolokwane, mase ke bayodlala futhi again against iPolokwane City le eLoftus. Kushube ngempela bafethu. After le game le bazoyidlala against iPolokwane City, there is a Kaizer Chiefs game abazoyidlala le eLoftus, mase bephinde bedlale with a stubborn Siwelele side, and igame abazovala ngayi league bazovala against iTS Galaxy, bazovala neTS Galaxy. TS Galaxy currently abanayo i-run of games enhle, but ke remember bayodlala le kulesa stadium lesiya abayo kodlala eMbombela. So ziningi izinto esizoyibona bafethu. Njani wabona nje bafethu amaphuzu labadlali abalimele ingabe bazodala iMamelodi Sundowns ingadlali kahle ingayiwini league asazi, but ke abayi kodlala ileague kuphela asakhona ama games awu2 abalekile for iMamelodi Sundowns. Kumele bayodlala ifinal yeCAF Champions League, kumele bayodlala iCAF Champions League final. Njengoba bayodlala iCAF Champions League final, it's not looking good for iMamelodi Sundowns in terms of league. Yabo maybe they can prioritize for iChampions League, but ke in terms of league ama games abawadlala bafethu maningi kakhulu. 5 games. Njengoba bayodlala nje 5 games, all of these players they might lose out on these games. They might not play these games akhona asele, especially nje le game yeKaizer Chiefs. Le game yeKaizer Chiefs ngiyayibona ke le yePolokwane City eyodlalwa right now. Yabo leyo udlala nje ngale kwakusasa phela today Monday today bayodlala ngale kwakusasa. Yabo so kushube ngempela bafethu. Ngizwa ngani ukuthi ke nina ngokweni do you think iMamelodi Sundowns inalo yini ithuba lokulithathe ileague njengoba kunje? Yes banayo igame in hand, but ke is it very worth it ukuthi ke ba risk abadlali babo for lama games laba, noma kumele baqhubeke babaforce abadlali ukuthi ke badlale even though benama injury akhona? Hey asas yabo ngiyafisa abajida basheshe balulama esibadinga be healthy, bangabi nezinto ukuthi ngoba sasilimele labadlali ingakho singayiwinanga ileague. Angiyithandi de kanjalo yabo. Ngcono nje iPirates ithathe nje kukahle ileague.